Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel C Tech. Today I'm going to show you how to enable your comments section on the YouTube channel. Let's jump. First, open your Chrome browser. For mobile users, go to a three-dot sign and click, then make the desktop site. Then open YouTube. Click on your YouTube icon. And click on Setting. Click on the channel status and feature. Click on the channel. Click on Advanced Setting. Choose No, set this channel as not made for kid. And click on Upload Default. Go to Advanced Setting. On the comment section, click on Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. And save changes. Then here click on the content or video icon and select all videos. Then click on Edit and click on the comment. Then select Hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Then click on Update Videos. It might take a few minutes. Finally, go to your YouTube channel and check the comment section is enabled or on. The comment section is enabled. Thank you for watching video.